Hey, what's up party people? My name is Vlad Sensual and today I'm gonna show you how to make some EDM stuff. I'm a big fan of EDM. Sometimes I think that I need to make something more popular like deep house, some slap house, but I'm kinda addicted to EDM and it's in my blood, so I still make EDM. So here's a project that I made 2 days ago and it sounds huge in my opinion, so let me play this track. It's a real repetitive track, I know about it, but it sounds huge, so let me explain how I made this drop. And I'll start from the kick drum. This is the kick drum. As you can see on my analyzer, nothing on the channel. It's a vengeance kick, as you can see, with a really long tail and 100% volume up. The next element is a bass line. It sounds huge, as you can see. It's from Avenger. It's a new synth to me. I just downloaded and I'm super happy with it. The preset called New Disco. And Camel Crusher on the channel with the British clean preset with some kickstart for sidechain. Sounds big. The next one is it's a synth actually, but it sounds like a perk. It's also Avenger, the preset called Sander Van Tech. Really useful element. The next one is a loop actually. FX loop from Vengeance. Then I add some percussion. It's a hardwell Dutch snare, classic Dutch big room kinda sound. I add some EQ and kickstart on it. The next one is this preset, button number 9. It sounds like this. It's a really useful element. It's called Tech Stub Minor. I add some Camel Crusher on it with the British clean preset. It's actually a classic already, this preset, because it works everywhere and it helps a lot. And the main part of the track, the lead section, it sounds like this. As you can see, I render it to WAV file because of my CPU. And I'll show you how I made this lead. As you can see, it's a really simple melody. Let me play this melody. It's Avenger, the preset called Sow It 2, and I add some EQ and effect track as always with the devil lock on it. Then this channel goes to this channel with some compression from the glue compressor. I use this preset, the glue. It's a really good preset. You can actually make the mastering with this plugin. Then I add some filter to mix down, and of course the sidechain. So it's the first one, it's the first layer. Then I add another layer. It sounds like this. It's the same preset as this one. I just make it 1 octave down. 1 octave down and render it to WAV file, because together it sounds more like powerful, and you need to layer your elements, your leads. So I add another one. It sounds like this. Bum, 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 bum. It's actually the third octave of this preset. It sounds like this. Bum, 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 bum. So I render it to WAV file, and I add the track, the channel number 9, and I turn it to mono, as you can see. It's and cut some highs and low frequencies. Lowest layer in this melody, and your low part needs to be in mono. So it consists of 3 layers at the first part of the drop, and it consists of 4 layers in the second part, because I add another one. It's also the same preset, but 1 octave high, as you can see, octave number 6. I render it, this preset, to WAV file, and turn the volume down a little bit, and add some stereo shaper to make it more wider, to make it more stereo, not mono. And together it sounds like this. Let me play from the first part of the drop. It's a really simple EDM in my opinion, but it sounds huge. You can make some simple sound, but the main thing is the quality of your sound. As you can see, is a simple example of EDM, and I really like how it sounds like. So maybe I'll make some beautiful breakdown to this track. If this tutorial was useful to you guys, please hit that subscribe button, and see you next time with new useful material to you. So see you next time. Bye.